Control statements are used to control the flow of execution of code based on condition and loop. The control statements are classified as conditional statement, loop statement, and jump statement. The conditional statement are if else, if else if, else, nested if, switch case. If the condition 1 is true, then the number 1 will be executed. If the condition 1 is false, then it will move to next if condition. After the execution of statement 1, it will go to next if statement. If condition 1 and 2 are true, then both statements will be executed. If you want to check all the conditions one by one, then we can use if statement. If a condition is true, then it will execute statement 1. If the condition is false, then it will execute statement 2. Here, any one of the statement will be executed. It will not execute both statements. If you want to check more than 2 conditions using if-else statement, then you can use if, else if, else statement. If condition 1 is true, then it will execute statement 1. After the execution of statement 1, it will not execute statement 2 and 3. If statement 1 is not executed, I mean if condition 1 is wrong, then it will check the condition 2. If the condition 2 is true, then it will execute statement 2. If statement 2 is not executed, I mean condition 2 is wrong, then it will execute statement 3. Here, any one of the 3 statements will be executed. We can write if-else statement inside another if-else statement. This is called nested if-else statement. If condition 1 is true, then it will check condition 2. If condition 2 is true, then it will execute statement 1. Otherwise, it will execute statement 2. If condition 1 is wrong, then it will go to statement 3 in else statement. Here also, any one of the 3 statements will be executed. Write a C program to check if a number is positive or negative using if statement. Let us consider some number 3 minus 5, 8. 3 is positive because 3 greater than 0. Minus 5 is negative because minus 5 less than 0. 8 is positive because 8 greater than 0. If a number greater than 0, then the number is positive. If a number less than 0, then the number is negative. First, create an user-defined function condition. Declare the function in header file. Get the input number from scanf statement. If a number greater than 0, print that number is positive. If a number less than 0, print that number is negative. Enter a number 5. It will print 5 is positive. But still, it checks if the number is less than 0, which is not necessary. We can avoid this using else statement. Write a C program to check if the number is positive or negative using if-else statement. We know the mathematical logic already. Number greater than 0, then the number is positive. If a number less than 0, then the number is negative. Replace number less than 0 by else enter a number 5. 5 is a positive number. Now it will not check if number less than 0. Perfect. What happened if an input number is 0? It will give 0 is negative number, which is wrong. So I need to check if the number is positive, negative, or 0. We need to use if, else if, else statement. Write a C program to check if the number is positive, negative, or 0 using if, else statement. Number greater than 0, the number is positive. If a number less than 0, the number is negative. If a number equal to 0, the number is 0. Replace else by else if number less than 0. Then add else statement to print the number is 0. Enter a number 5. 5 is a positive number. Enter a number 0. 0 is 0. Perfect. Write a C program to check if the number is positive or negative or 0 using nested if statement. Here I am going to replace this code. If a number greater than 0, then it will come inside another if else statement. If a number equal to 0, print the number is 0. Else, print the number is positive. If the number greater than or equal to 0 is false, then we will move on to else, print the number is negative. Now enter a number 5. 5 is a positive number. Enter a number 0. 0 is 0.